Okay, guys, welcome to our channel. I'm Mo.
I'm Drea.
Valerie, I'm so bad.
Okay, so we didn't get to record this earlier, but we're pranking Valerie today. We're doing the honk if you're happy. Can you go show it?
Wouldn't it be kind of weird? Oh, I can see.
No, she can't see it. Look. Okay, so yeah, so we're gonna record her reaction. She thinks it's just a vlog.
Doing our first prank.
We're trying to discuss where we're gonna go eat. I don't know.
We have a wheel.
Oh shit, we do. Oh my gosh, so we have a wheel because we can never decide.
I'll just put it on later.
We're at Taco Bell. Where's Eve? Oh my gosh, Ethan's over there. Dre's right here. Okay, and now we're gonna go inside. Okay guys, we are back. We finished eating and we're at Ross looking for, what are we looking for? And this is my world. Wait, hold on. This is Texas. So cute. Whoa, he showed me these badass shoes. Aren't they cute? Wow, we want me to get them?
Yeah, you get them. I like them.
A little baby vibes. Okay, Dre, do you have something to say?
No, just I look fat.
Yeah, we're just at Ross. Like, honestly, nothing new. Like, we have... Okay, here's Valcow. Valcow, what is going on?
There you go.
Lace us up. That's cute.
I cannot find anything to wear because I'm fat as fuck.
Andrea, that jacket looks so funny. Andrea tried all this jacket y no le quedó. I'm just kidding. Okay. Anyways, me siento super awkward. Shit.
Put you in here, boy.
This is being bad.
We're always fighting with him.
Yeah, he's always being bad with us. Like, he is super bad. Y'all don't even know. But yeah, we'll find out. Go tell them, Dre. I'll record you. Go. Go, Dre. You're not shy. Andale. Dre, go. Dre, go. Ethan, say hi to the people.
Hi.
Get up.
We're looking for a dress for Valerie, and I think we found one. Look at this. This is freaking cute. Okay, now we're gonna show her. So let's go. Let's go. Okay, Valcow, look. Look, a little slit moment. It's cute. This is cute. Oh my gosh. You ready? Let's not spin it too hard. Okay. Super boring. We're super boring. Yeah, we are. Nobody's gonna watch us. Okay, y'all. Sorry if we're boring. We're usually a fun time, but today's it's like weird weather. Let's go, fuck. Okay, y'all. So this is super funny. So y'all ever heard of Gucci? What the fuck? Is that what it says, right? Gucci? For $14, you can be bougie. Anyways, okay, guys. Someone just honked at us. Valerie over here wants to run him over. She's fucking crazy. Like, Valerie, I swear.
Yeah.
Look, you would, I don't know.
Now we're driving home.
Okay, guys, so we're headed to
Am I good?
the mall.
Yeah. Oh no, you're not good.
Fucking fat.
Girl, I feel sad. Just of the weather. Show them the weather, Dre.
No, it's because we haven't had Starbucks. That's why you're sad.
The weather is very sad.
Very gloomy. It's a very mellow day.
And it makes us sad.
Day.
Me.
So we're gonna play some sad music.
Oh, yeah. It sounds so sad. Like, I cannot.
We should go to Dillard.
I'm just getting out of my
Little model.
F-150 4x4 Sport. Or no.
Okay, let's.
Why are you vlogging me?
Because we want the model.
Easton, go. What did he do?
You think
What did y'all put in my truck?